Alrighty, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about the general preferences. So in general preferences, you can see here path, point, and handle size is 5 pixels. Show tooltips, yes. Create layers and composition, start time, yes. Switches, after effect. I almost said switches after effect. It just switches effect, nested comps, yes. Default spatial interpolation to linear, no. What I recommend is the default. So whatever Adobe sets as the default here, that's the best way to go for general. Okay, so you have show system compatibility issues at startup, yes. Enable home screen, yes. Use system shortcut keys, yes. Place on when a render finishes, yes. Create split layers above original layer. Synchronize time of all related items, yes. Pen tool shortcut, toggles between pen and mask feather tools, yes. Preserve constant vertex and feather point count when editing masks, yes. So you want to keep all those active. And if I click on next, that'll take me to the next preference. And I can go back to previous to get to general. Okay, so that's the general preferences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.